This is not looking good for Tonic. This is not good for Tectonic token because we have been experiencing a rise. Just the same thing Shiba Doge was actually experiencing last year, 2022, where you see Shiba Doge price increases today and tomorrow you see dropping dark again. And right now, of course, Tectonic token is currently experiencing such thing. Now, Tectonic token have actually lost about $6.3 million already. $6.3 million this month has been taken out of Tectonic token. And remember, gaining this market cap, this amount of market cap is not easy for a small cap like Tectonic token, and this is not good because so many people after they started pulling out, you take a look at the trade, you score many people actually on sell. Okay, and I believe something needs to be done right now in order to get this coin back again. Something needs to be done, and that is they need to work more with many more exchanges. 2 or 3 exchanges listing this coin is not enough. They need more exchanges to partner with this coin, and of course they need to start discussing the issue of burning. This coin right now is still trading with about 6 zeros, and of course we have a lot of coins out there as a supply, so they need to start talking, they need to start bringing in different ideas on how to burn, on how to destroy Tectonic token coins. And if they can really achieve this, of course I believe this coin will start to revive back again. And don't be surprised to see that Tectonic token before the end of this year can actually hit over $100 million market cap. And of course this coin before the end of this year can also hit between 1,000% to of course 10,000% before the end of the year. Yes, the truth is Tectonic token is one of the best small cap coin, but right now Tectonic token is not doing well. They need something bigger. They need a very good fundamental analysis that will push this coin. Remember, in crypto industry and forex trading, of course, a lot of things have to come in common, especially the technical and fundamental analysis need to play along. And one of the things these days that push coins to hit a massive increase within a short period is fundamental analysis. If you have a very good fundamental analysis, this coin is going to rise. And I believe, yes, crypto industry have come to stay. This year is going to be a bullish year, just like the way I said it last year. Of course, we started seeing BTC all the way from $15,000 down to $26,000, $28,000 as a few days ago. So this is a signal, this is a sign that this year is already showing this year is going to be a bullish year. And I believe a lot of people actually start making massive profit from crypto industry. And for Tectonic token, they need a lot of work to be done, especially in the area of burning and in the area of getting more partnership. Well, let's hope the best, but please remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.